this is kind of taking the piss actually a little bit.
What?
This. with the music and stuff.
Do you reckon the music's post-production?
Of course.
Like as in from not a non-Japanese post-production?
Oh no, because there's a Japanese voiceover.
Oh my goodness.
Is that how they legitimately do it? Neck minute. Oh,
just cash.
Dude, there's no way. It has like eyes and stuff.
I reckon that's though because one side's white, the other side's not.
Yeah, true.
What? People just make mountains from crumpling the paper.
Yep.
Just
Yes,
laughing
he did.
at that. I can do this. You
Tour de
can't.
France.
oh god. That's the neck. Are they getting told what to make?
Oh, he's summoning his level up. He just transformed into second level.
He just evolved.
Super Saiyan. About to get
Congratulations,
serious.
you got origami folder number 2.
Origami level 2 active. Shit.
Just watch his hair go.
Level
Too bad he's bald. Like, that won't happen. Sorry, guys. That's only in Dragon Ball Z.
This is gonna be craning. I don't think it's gonna look good at all.
Oh. That guy has hair. Maybe he'll turn into like.
He's the evolution, please.
Yeah.
No.
That's like Tour de France.
That's
just
not.
crumpled paper.
That's crumpled paper.
Oh, that's skill.
That's like legit.
This is I want to see them actually fold it.
Because this is just like, that can't be real, right?
Well, surely it's production. Comparison.
Oh my god! What? There's so many things wrong with this right now.
I'm trying to figure out if it's like a parody or if it's like.
Of course it's a parody!
But like, who knows? They have amazing like origami skills. I've seen some amazing things. Like.
If they're green screening him into his origami world, it's
Yeah, true.
probably a parody.
Figured it out, guys. What? I thought they were gonna like slap each other.
I need to sneeze.
Bless you.
Bless you.